Question number 1.
Daga, daga.
Write down your answers. Question number 2.
Kambing, kambing.
Write down your answers. Question number 3.
Usa, usa.
Write down your answers. Question number 4.
Baliena, baliena.
Write down your answers. Question number 5.
Kabayo, kabayo.
Write down your answers. Question number 6.
Paniki, paniki.
Write down your answers. Question number 7.
Pabo, pabo.
Write down your answers. Question number 8.
Sisiu, sisiu.
Write down your answers. Question number 9.
Isda, isda.
Write down your answers. Question number 10.
Pato, pato.
Write down your answers. This is the end. Find out more at www.talktagalog.com.